Hello, and this is Mike Garner from MrMikeGarner.com and Mr. GTV, and you're now preparing to go into the silence. Don't listen to this whilst doing anything that requires concentration, especially driving the car. Loosen any tight clothing, remove all distractions, sit down in a comfortable chair, take a deep breath in, breathe out, close your eyes and relax. Relax, relaxing more and more with every easy breath that you take, every easy beat of your heart. Nothing distracts you, nothing disturbs you as you become still and silent. Witness the thoughts and images that come into your mind. Be aware of the colours behind your closed eyes. Witness everything. React to nothing. Remember everything. Be still. Enjoy the silence. Start to bring your awareness now back into this present moment. Become aware of your breathing. Remember everything that's come to mind. I recommend that you journal your silent meditation journey. Any reoccurring thoughts, themes, images are important. If you need a chat, I'm here for that. And now you can open your eyes. Silent meditation is very balancing. Feel balanced. Silent meditation is very healing. Notice how good you feel. if you want to experience more of this and go back to early tutorials on silent meditation with me, Mike G, for free on Mr. GTV, subscribe to the channel and look at the Facebook channel. In the search box, put hashtag silent meditation, Sunday silence. It's all there for you for free with me, Mike G. Be powerful. Enjoy your mind.